Hello friends, today I'm going to show you a very simple repair, and that is how to fix loose lens rubber. Like this case, you see it is extremely annoying to do the focusing, and then to fix it, it is extremely simple, so why live with it? So I remove the rubber, and then what I'm going to do is just to put double side tape, like this one you have here, that you can find on every hardware store, and then just by putting 2 or 3 pieces, so I try to put them at about 120 degrees. And then the tricky part here is just to put back the rubber so it don't sticks into the tape immediately. But then once that's done, use something just to raise it while we put and that's it. Probably need to do some work in some places like here, just to make sure the rubber is exactly in the right position, like here. Then now it looks perfect. Okay, and that's it. You see the rubber is not rotating anymore, and then we can really enjoy our lens now. So this is all I wanted to show you today. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.